Pugs are more than just cute faces. Did you know a group of pugs is called a grumble? Imagine a room full of grumbling pugs. It's like a furry debate club. These little yoga masters can bend into pretzel positions. Move over, yogis! And their snores? World class. They sound like tiny chainsaws. But keep an eye out. Too much snoring might mean health issues. Once lapdogs for Chinese royalty, pugs bring a touch of majesty to our lives. Those adorable wrinkles, they help keep their eyes safe and make them look like they're always deep in thought. And check out those curly tails like built-in party favors. Pugs are snack lovers with big appetites. They'll eat anything that's not nailed down. And they can sleep up to 14 hours a day, making them the ultimate couch potatoes. Don't let their size fool you. They've got big personalities and plenty of sass.